Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. In the first step, we need to simply go to search bar and type your disk cleanup. From the search results, click here to open it. So we need to wait for some time to calculate these things. Then we need to check these things: temporary files, thumbnails, and download program files and temporary internet files. Then click on OK and we need to select delete files. Once done, we need to move to the next method. That will be just go to search bar and type here device manager. Now we need to expand the display adapters. Here it is. Right click here, select properties, go to drivers tab and click on update driver. Click on search automatically for drivers and the best drivers will be installed automatically. Once done, close the windows and open the task manager. Now click on run new task, then select browse button, go to this PC, open C drive, open Windows folder, open System32 folder. In the System32 folder we need to find out cmd file. Here it is. Just select it and click on open. Now check this box. This is very important. This will create this task with administrative privileges and click on OK. Once we are here, we need to close the background windows and we'll focus on the command prompt window only. So type here chkdsk space c colon space /f space /r and hit enter. Now type y and hit enter. So we need to restart the system. For that, just type exit and restart your system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe to the channel.